Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and this is my very first video at my new location, and I thought, you know what, since it's been crazy and everything's been moving around, instead of doing a coin video, we were going to do a mail call video. Now, all of the items featured in this video are going to be items that I got at my prior location before moving to my new location. I got them before I moved. I didn't have time to do the mail call video, so now that I've got some time, figured we'll go ahead and do this. In the next video, we'll either do a regular coin roll hunt or maybe my 1K giveaway, depending on how things go. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, I've got a few items here that are really cool, and I just thought I'd show them off in a mail call. So let's get into the first item. And our first item in this mail call is a package from Southern Metal. Now, Southern Metal was very generous, and a few weeks ago did some hunts where he gave the rolls of coins out to his members, and I was one of his members, and he searched it, and we found silver. So, Southern Metal, thank you very much. I'm going to put a link to his channel right there so you can check him out. Subscribe if you like the content. But Southern Metal, thank you very much for sending this along the way. And, ooh, we've got some cool goodies here. A channel sticker, which is going to go on my coin sorting machine. It's kind of where I put my channel stickers. Thank you for participating in our live stream and supporting the channel. Southern Metal, it is a pleasure to support you, good sir. That is going on my coin sorter here directly to my right. Thank you for the channel sticker. And yeah, we found silver, and wow, Southern Metal. That is an awesome 64. Very well sealed too, I might add. I believe this is the one, and he doubled it. This is the one we found in the roll. This 64, 90% silver. And then he doubled it with this one. Southern Metal, you are very generous. That is a beautiful one. Wow. Philly and Philly. Yeah. So Southern Metal, very cool. Check him out if you haven't already checked out Southern Metal. Thank you very much. That is awesome. Our next item is actually two items, and I got these before. Actually, I got one of these before I moved and one right after I moved, and I had them shipped to my home location instead of my P.O. box. So that's why I'm not showing the address labels. But these should be the 2021 proof. Yep. And 2021 silver proof sets from the United States Mint. Yes, they are. We're going to check them out together. I know I'm a little late on getting this video out, so people have probably already seen these sets before, but I like these sets. The silver proof set was pretty expensive this year. I'm really disappointed in that, but what are you going to do? I want it for my collection, and I got it. So, but I only bought one. So this is going to be the proof set, non-silver version. And those coins look beautiful. 2021. Got these new lights. I'm trying to figure out the best viewing angle, so I apologize for the glare. That looks to be the best viewing angle. Those are pretty sweet. And then the two quarter designs, it's really cool to see the old quarter design back in circulation here, along with the one that was used. This is going to be, yep, the Tuskegee Airmen and Washington crossing the Delaware. Really like those designs. Very cool. And then the silver proof set, $105 if memory serves me correct. It's going to look pretty similar. So we've got some differences. The backing looks to be brown instead of, is black, I'm sorry, instead of brown. And I believe all of the silver packaging from the US Mint is going to be black this year, which I think is really interesting. So this is the silver proof set. So the silver is going to be the dime and the half. Beautiful looking coins. Man, that nickel looks great too. And the silver quarters. How about those? I'll try to get, I've got these new lights here, so I know the glare is a little bit is that? Well, that is a shame. Take a look at this. Yeah, I've got something on my 2021 Washington crossing the Delaware quarter. They're underneath. That is not on the glass. That is in the case. So that is either a piece of lint or dirt in there, or that is a mark on the coin. The other one is fine, but the crossing the Delaware is not. That is disappointing. That is disappointing, especially for $105. Well, it is what it is. Might be reaching out to the U.S. Mint about that issue, but we have both sets and very happy to have them, except for that mark on the other side of that quarter. There is a difference in how they look. You can definitely tell the silver is just so much whiter, I guess. This one is definitely toned a little bit, but that's because it is clad. But beautiful coins for the most part. Yeah, that $50 really pops. Anyway, wanted to show you the proof sets. We've got them in our collection, and we'll move on from there. The next item isn't really a mail call, but it is something interesting and unique I wanted to share with everyone. When I was turning all my coins in at my old location, getting ready for the move, I was in line at the teller, and someone had deposited a bunch of ones, and the teller beside me made the comment that they saw some blue on the notes and asked if it was real to the teller that was serving me. And they said, yes, those are just silver certificates, which of course piqued my interest. And I said, could I please have you go through there and could I get the silver certificates? And they said, yeah, actually, it'll be pretty easy because the machine won't count them. It'll come out as an error. So I'll just run them through, and it pulled them all out. And you can see here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 silver certificates. And they are not in great shape. I will fully admit that. But just the fact that I was able to buy these each for $1, really interesting. My first silver certificates that I have purchased. And yeah, I think it's just cool that someone turned these in at a bank. And yeah, really cool stuff. No fancy serial numbers, no star notes. But I still wanted to show them off because they are really, really cool. You can see there's got a writing on this one, so it's not going to be worth very much. This one's in really bad shape. But just the fact that I was able to get silver certificates at the bank, to me, is really cool. I picked them up for $1. And I'm going to hold on to them. Some folds in that one and some staining too. But regardless, happy to have them. And yeah, let me know what you think about the silver certificates. Have you ever been able to find any in the wild? And if so, let me know in the comments below. And the last item on this mail call is a package from Rob Vine's Treasure. Back in March, I purchased a box and got the finds in the mail before I left. Did get a chance to look at them, but now that I'm settled in a little bit more, I am. So we're going to do that right now. And it was really fun hunting with Rob. I actually don't even remember what we got. It was a while ago. And he always sends a message with his packages. So thank you, Rob Finds Treasure. If you haven't checked him out, you absolutely should. Right there. So let's check out. We've got some coins already. Love that sound of silver. Yep. Let's see what we got. It was a skunk box, so we did get a piece dollar. That is going to go into the collection. 1925 piece dollar. That is from Philly. No mint mark. Man, that is a beautiful 64. 64 Philly. 2 more 64s. Very nice, Rob. There's 1 Denver. 2 Denvers. All right, very cool. I'm going to leave those in We'll put them right there, try to center them on the camera. They're probably not going to want to go that way. We'll go that way. We'll know that they are 90% silver. Quarters. There are a few quarters we got in here. Oh, love those silver edges on the quarters. We've got a 64 Philly, 64 Philly, 53 Denver. Very cool. Ooh, this is an older one. 41 Denver. Another 64 from, there's a Denver there, 64 Denver. 59. I have to check my book here. 59 Denver. And another 64 Denver as well. And a stunning 1964. Look at this one. 64 Philly. That is going to probably upgrade my book. All right, next up, we've got some, let's do the Merc Dimes. Pretty worn, but still silver. 5 Merc Dimes. Let me see if I can get some years on these for everyone. This is going to be an old one. 1919. No way of being able to tell if there's a mint mark there. And this is 1917. Wow. Denver, I think. Don't have my scope out. Yes, I do. Let me check that real quick. There's definitely a mint mark. 1917. San Francisco. And another 1917. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a mint mark on that one. Yeah, 2 worn. Another 1917. Don't even know what that is. 19 something. That is a little toasty. That's all right. We'll take them. And another 1917 Philly. So some old Merc Dimes. That is pretty darn cool. And we're left with the loose half dollars. We've got a 1907 Barber, Philadelphia. And we've got a 67 Kennedy. And the Benjis. Let's see what we got here. We've got a 52 Denver. Beautiful 63. That is a really nice 63 Denver. 62 Denver. Another 63 Denver as well. Yeah, Rob has a lot of Denver coins. I don't because I'm in Pennsylvania, so it's nice to get Denver minted coins. This is a 52 Denver as well. So 252 Denvers and another 63 Denver. All right, very cool. Thank you, Rob Finds Treasure. If you haven't checked him out, absolutely go check him out. Great streamer, great YouTuber, and I really, really appreciate all the finds from the box, even though it was a skunk. Thank you, Rob. Well, that's going to do it for this mail call. And remember, I got a new P.O. box, so please don't send anything to my old one. And if you want to check out my new P.O. box, it's in my info for the channel here on Enigma Coin Collector. Thank you to everyone who sent stuff in, even though it was mostly stuff that I purchased or got sent to me. Did find some cool things. If you send anything in for the mail call videos, remember that I do send you a channel sticker and a thank you message, but you don't have to send anything in. I want to make sure that everyone knows that I don't expect anyone to send anything in, but if you do feel so inclined, go ahead and do so and you'll get featured on the mail call video. That should just about wrap it up. Next week, I think we're going to do the 1K giveaway video, so stay tuned for that on Sunday. And help share the channel. If you have any friends or family, tell them about the channel. Get them to subscribe so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers sooner. We give away the really cool giveaways, which we'll find out about next week. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and remember, it's always a mystery until you crack open those rolls and you find out what you got inside. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.